Introducing Xcube, Hardshell and Modular Backpack. Featuring space material tech, the Hardshell can protect your valuables from external crushing, accidental drops, rainfall, and scratches. The Sling Bag module and the Magic Cube module can make your trip much easier. It is truly up to you to decide what and how you want to pack. The 6 detachable dividers make the storage areas fully customizable. The 180-degree opening and the expandable design give you an extra 30% storage capacity. With 15 built-in compartments, Xcube can store laptops up to 17 inches. Featuring a TSA lock, anti-theft chain, and hidden YKK waterproof zipper, Xcube can keep your personal belongings safe 24/7. The weight distribution system can make the backpack feel 30% lighter. Xcube comes in 2 sizes. Both fit over the handle of roller luggage, and you are ready to go. No matter if you're a cyclist, a photographer, a backpacker, or a business traveler, Xcube will become your ultimate, durable, and reliable partner that will help you go beyond the limit.